So Frankie is about to go outside and go potty. Here we go. To say hi to Jack and Abby too. Hi, Jack. Leave him alone, Jackie. Leave him alone. Let's go over here, Frankie. We're gonna go in the snow. Makes it easier. Okay, there you go, Franks. Go potty. Go potty, Frankie. Jack, you back up. Go potty, Frankie. Go potty, Frank. It's okay. Go potty, Frankie. Jack, get away from him. Good boy, Frankie. Good boy, Frankie. It's okay. It's okay. Jack, get away from him now. Come here, Jack. Whoops. Go potty, Frankie. Here's Frankie outside in the snow. He wants to go potty now. Go potty, Frankie. Frankie, go potty. Good boy, Frankie. You can do it. You can do it. It's okay. You can do it. Good boy. Then we got Abby over there trying to kill something. Get the birdie, Abby. She's on the hunt. She's on the hunt. And Frank is peeing. Good boy, Frankie.